as we all know that summer is here and we just finished a 4-week long summer camp which was so beautiful. Children did aerial yoga and contemporary dance, gymnastics, art and craft, storytelling, theatre and improv, and they made so many lovely friends. So now because the summer camp is still on and the holidays are still on, in the month of May we are doing our second batch of summer camp and we invite you to come and join us at Flux. There are 3 age groups, 5 to 7, 8 to 12 and 12 above. It's called Cocoon, Caterpillar and Butterflies, and you're going to have a great time. You're going to be learning aerial yoga, you're going to be learning dance, you're going to be learning gymnastics, theatre and improv, creative writing, storytelling, art and craft. I mean, there are so many things to learn from. We successfully completed a month of summer camp and the children are so happy and the parents are so happy. So why don't we just hear it from the parents?
Honestly, it's been absolute blessing for me to have my kid here in Flex. Yes, Flex is all about art, music, dance, everything, but it's more about expression, emotion, support, and just feeling free to be yourself. So this studio is all about good positive energy. It's full, like open, free and full of energy.
I'm Mansa. So my kids Mahim and Arna are here for the camp. We're from Hyderabad, so it's even more special that we're attending this camp. And the kids are thrilled with all the various activities they're doing. Real yoga on the hammock, or the music sessions they're having, rewriting their day. All of it put together, they're having a very, very memorable summer. Yeah.
So I just love that Anika enjoys being in the Flux all the time. When she gets up in the morning, she's asking me, is there a Flux today? So what I have noticed in her is that beyond the art or the arts and crafts what we regularly see kids doing, I think I really see that her confidence level is increasing, which is great. She's learning aerial yoga because at home we do regular yoga, but she's very happy to come and tell me about aerial yoga, which is fantastic. So yes, storytelling, singing, she knows about harmonium. Earlier she just knew about Casio and piano, but she knows about our traditional harmonium and everything. So yeah, it has been a fantastic time for her to be here and spend her summer vacations with you guys. So thank you for that.
Firstly, what I see is she's more outspoken because she's quite an introverted child. So when she expresses through her art. She's good at drawing and painting also, but I wanted her to do some performing arts. Find different ways of expressing. We are all excited because she's writing stories, writing poems, and every day she tells me one new move she learned in aerial yoga. So, I'm so excited to pick her up because there's so many stories I get to hear about what happened in class. And I generally like the environment here. It's relaxed, but it's not very lenient. So that's a good thing because I think kids need to be assured in a certain direction at times, and that happens. She's thinking a lot about a lot of things, which is great. So I think a good thought is provoked, which is very important.
I even remember the first day when I entered Flex. It was really a space where I felt confident and supported even as a beginner. I don't know the jazz workshop, I don't know anything about dance, but I really loved experiencing this space. So since then I've fallen in love with this space. So I wanted my daughter also to experience this space. Yes, in Flex they teach you all dance, craft, music, yoga, whatnot. They teach you everything. But how they teach you is the most important part of Flex Studio. The approach is absolutely beautiful and unique. They easily help kids open up. They are making them feel confident and free to express themselves. I really am grateful to be part of this Flex Studio and to put my daughter into the summer camp. The team at Flex is so open, so nice. They exactly know how to nurture the young talent while keeping the vibe very fun, interactive, inspiring, cool, for the kids to be very happy and very free actually. So whenever honestly I get a chance, I'll keep coming back to Flex.
My son recently he joined summer camp at Flux. This camp basically include aerial yoga, dance, music. He actually enjoyed every bit of it, whatever he was doing here. What I loved the most is he was just being himself. speak freely, and he was completely at ease. The whole vibe at the Flux is very warmth and welcoming. The kids can come here and they can open up, learn and grow.
I had so much fun over here. I just like everything, especially dance and aerial.
Yeah, so you're joining us for the Accents program now, flagship course.
Yeah,
You're excited?
very.
Okay, we also can't wait to have you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.